Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Learning. Today we will practice English at the airport. Let's begin. Section 1. Airport Vocabulary. This is the airport. I have my boarding pass. My luggage is heavy. Here is my passport. My gate is number 12. My flight is delayed. My flight number is AA205. My seat is near the window. The passengers are waiting. Departure time is 8 p.m. I heard the announcement. We must go through security. This is my carry-on bag. We are in Terminal B. Repeat after me. Airport, boarding pass, luggage, passport, gate, flight, flight number, seat, passenger, departure, announcement, security, carry-on bag, terminal. Excellent. Section 2. Where is my gate? Excuse me, where is my gate? What is your gate number? Gate 14. Go straight and turn left. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me, where is gate 22? Gate 22 is upstairs. Thank you very much. No problem. Can you help me? Of course. Where is gate 8? It is near the coffee shop. Thank you. Repeat these questions. Where is my gate? Where is gate 10? Can you help me? Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. It is upstairs. It is downstairs. Near the coffee shop. Very good. Section 3. Boarding pass. Practice conversation. May I see your boarding pass? Yes, here it is. Thank you. You're welcome. Can I see your passport and boarding pass? Sure. Thank you. Have a nice flight. Thank you. What is your seat number? My seat is 14A. Okay. You may board now. Great. Thank you. Repeat after me. Here is my boarding pass. Here is my passport. May I see your boarding pass? What is your seat number? You may board now. Have a nice flight. Excellent job. Section 4. Flight number practice. What is your flight number? My flight number is DL220. What is your flight number? UA415. Your gate is 18. Is flight BA310 on time? Yes, it is on time. Great. Thank you. Is flight AA205 delayed? Yes, it is delayed 30 minutes. Okay, thank you. Repeat after me. My flight number is AA205. My gate is 12. The flight is on time. The flight is delayed. Boarding starts at 7 p.m. Very good. Section 5. Full airport conversation. Practice? Excuse me. Yes, where is gate 16? Go straight and turn right. Thank you. You're welcome. May I see your passport and boarding pass? Yes, here they are. Thank you. What time does boarding start? Boarding starts at 6:30 p.m. Okay, thank you very much. Attention passengers on flight AA205 to Chicago. Boarding will begin soon at gate 16. That is my flight. Have a nice trip. Thank you. Section 6. More airport conversations. Conversation. 1. At security. Please put your bag on the table, okay? Do you have any liquids? Yes, I have water. Please throw the water away, okay? Thank you. You may go through. Conversation 2. Finding the terminal. Excuse me, where is Terminal C? Go straight and take the escalator upstairs. Is it far? No, it is very close. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Conversation 3. Boarding the plane. Now boarding flight DL220. That is my flight. May I see your boarding pass? Yes, here it is. Thank you. You may board now. Great. Conversation 4. On the plane. Excuse me, where is C at 18A? It is near the window. Thank you. Can I help you with your bag? Yes, please. Here you go. Thank you very much. Conversation 5. Flight delay. Excuse me, is flight UA415 delayed? Yes, the flight is delayed 1 hour. Oh no, we are sorry for the delay. What time is boarding now? Boarding starts at 9 p.m. Okay, thank you. Repeat after me. Please put your bag on the table. You may go through. Where is Terminal C? Take the escalator upstairs. Now, boarding flight DL220. Where is C at 18A? The flight is delayed 1 hour. Boarding starts at 9 p.m. Excellent work. Great job today. Today you learned airport vocabulary, how to ask for your gate, how to use a boarding pass, how to talk about flight numbers, easy airport conversations, English for security and boarding practice. These sentences again and again to improve your English speaking skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more easy English lessons. See you next time.